So our group had the splash zone, and my organism was the sea star. Sea stars have bone and calcified skin along which protects them from predators, along with intimidating colors to scare off predators. They're famous for the ability to regenerate limbs. So if they lose a limb, they can just grow it back, and almost little to no body, they can still grow it back. It don't matter. So they're almost like indestructible. But they have no brain and no blood. Their nervous system is spread throughout the body, and their blood is filtered seawater. Sea stars live in a variety of places, such as bay bottoms, rocky shores, tide pools, cold sea floors, and warm tropical waters. And this is my sister.
So my organism was the barnacle. It's an invertebrate that you can find in the splash zone. It's known for a variety of different characteristics. First of all, it's sessile, which means it stays in one place at all times. And so it doesn't move around, and so it has to be able to withstand like waves and other stuff, wave action in the splash zone. So that's why it has a outer shell that protects it. However, because they're in the splash zone, it also must withstand desiccation. Therefore, it's able to close off its shell to withhold moisture. And so you can kind of see this is the actual barnacle, this is its outer shell. It can close this off to keep moisture in. Because it's sessile, it has to be able to hold on to like rocks and stuff. And so it is able to create a vacuum with the bottom of its shell to hold on to things and kind of suction onto rocks. And so you can kind of like see it, the bottom of it kind of like allows it to create a suction that it uses to hold on to rocks and stuff. Other than that, it kind of just has like spikes on the outside of it that kind of protect it and make sure it isn't destroyed by waves. It's a filter feeder, and so it filters algae through its kind of like mouth thing, and that's how it eats.
My organism is a limpet, and limpets are typically found in shallow waters on rocky shorelines where there's plenty of algae to sustain their diet. Their shell shape depends on how deep they are in the ocean and where they are positioned on the rocks. Limpets are omnivorous animals that mainly feed on algae on the scrape of the rocks.
So my organism is a sea urchin. They are typically found in shallow waters near the coast. They tend to mainly feed on kelp, and their spikes are used for mobilization and to protect them from predators because they are poisonous to most things, including people, which is why a lot of people die from the poison.